Most traders don't blow accounts because of bad strategy. They blow accounts because of what's in their head. This is lesson 1 from Trading in the Zone. Number 1. The market is random in the short term. One trade means nothing. Your edge only works over 100 trades. Stop treating every candle like life or death. Number 2. Stop trying to be right. The need to win makes you hesitate. It makes you move your stop loss. Be okay with losing. Number 3. Accept the risk before you click buy or sell. Look at the chart and say, this trade can lose, and I am okay with that. When you accept it, fear disappears. Number 4. Inconsistency creates fear. You skip a stop loss once and get away with it. Your brain learns, rules don't matter. Follow your rules every single time. Number 5. Your beliefs create your results. If you believe, I always get stopped out, your brain will find proof to make it true. Change the belief. Change the account. Number 6. The goal is the zone. A state where you execute with zero emotion. No fear, no greed, no hope. Before we continue, if you are enjoying these lessons, leave a comment on what topics you want us to cover next. Hit the thumbs up button. It helps us continue producing more free content. Join our free Telegram community to stay notified on new projects we have coming soon. The link is in the description or in the pinned comment. All right, let us get back to it. If you've been trading for 6 months and still aren't profitable, this chapter is why. Chapter 1 of Trading in the Zone hit me hard. Because Mark Douglas says, the reason you keep losing has nothing to do with your strategy. It has to do with how you think about trading. Let me break it down for you. It has to do with how you think about trading. Let me break it down for you. Chapter 1 is called The Road to Success. Fundamental, technical, or mental analysis. Douglas says every trader goes through 3 stages. Stage E, fundamental analysis. This is where you start. The news is good, so price must go up. You think if you just understand the news, you'll win. Stage R, technical analysis. This is where most of us are. Indicators, support, resistance, price action. You think if you just find the perfect setup, you'll win. Stage Sen, mental analysis. This is where profitable traders live, and 90% of traders never get here. Douglas says, fundamental and technical will only take you so far because the market is random. In the short term, your edge only works over 100 trades, so the real problem is not your analysis, it's your mind. Here's the big lie we all believe. If I just find the Holy Grail strategy, I'll be profitable. I did this for 1 year straight, bro. 1 week it was moving averages, next week it was SMC, next month it was ICT. Every time I lost 3 trades, I blamed the strategy, and I went looking for a new one. But Douglas says, that's like switching cars because you don't know how to drive. The car is fine. You need driving lessons. What he means is, you can give 2 traders the exact same strategy. Trader A will blow the account. Trader B will make 6 figures. The difference? Trader B has mastered his mind. So what does this mean for you? It means you probably already have a strategy that works. Backtest it. If it's 50% plus win rate with 1 to 2 RR, it's good enough. The problem is, fear makes you hesitate on entry. Greed makes you move your stop loss. Ego makes you revenge trade after a loss. I remember losing $400 in one day, not because my setup was wrong, but because I was angry from the trade before. That's a mental problem, not a technical problem. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It will give you 5 losses in a row, even with a good strategy. If your mind isn't ready for that, you'll quit before the wins come. So how do we use Chapter 1 starting today? Rule 1. Stop strategy hopping. Pick one setup, just one. For the next 30 days, that's all you trade. No new indicators. No new YouTube strategies. Rule 2. Work on mental analysis every day. Before you trade, ask, am I calm? Am I chasing? Am I trying to be right? If the answer is no, don't trade. Rule 3. Remember this line from the chapter. The successful trader that you want to become is a future projection of yourself that you have to grow into. You don't become a pro by finding a new strategy. You become a pro by thinking, acting, and believing like a pro. Starting today, Douglas is telling us, master yourself first. The money will follow. That's Chapter 1 of Trading in the Zone. The road to success is not through a new indicator. It's through mental analysis. Comment below. Are you stuck in stage 1, 2, or 3? That is the end of this chapter. If this helped you, hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment with your biggest takeaway. And subscribe to be notified when new content is released. Join our Telegram community to stay updated on new projects coming soon. The link is below. Discipline first. Better is not good enough. The best is yet to come. I will see you in the next chapter.